raining outside. I just went out, man, to take my bike out, man. I was gonna go near the track and you know, get a couple of miles in, man. As soon as I got outside, you know, it started raining. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just sit here, man, for about a half hour and you know, get on this exercise bike. That's why I bought this bike. I bought this bike, you know, for days like this when it rains and I can't get out, when it's raining too hard. Hopefully it'll slow down and I can get out today, because, you know, I want to make a couple of runs. I wanted to go to, you know, I found the farmer's market on 110th Street in Manhattan Avenue, and it's only there on Saturdays. And I wanted to run up there, man, see what they had, you know. They're pretty reasonable, and I wanted to go up that way. I got to take something back to the store. You know, I had bought a jump rope, you know, from the store. It's too short. I bought a rope. I'm gonna open it up. There it is. See how this rope is. I saw a guy with a rope like this in Manhattan. That's the basic standard rope, man. That's what it'll do. It's very short. It's a very short rope. It's real short. Yeah, the rope is short. Too short. Very short rope. This is not my style. I don't like this rope. Because you got to jump like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. $4. I guess you get what you pay for. Also, you know, I ran out of hazelnuts, so I wanted to go run up to Pelham, man, and get some of those. It feels good over here. I got the window open, you dig? And, you know, listen here, man, I'm going to put in a movie right here on my computer, and I'm going to watch it, you know, while I'm working out. And hopefully I can do this for about a half hour to an hour. And, you know, hopefully this will make up for me not being able to get out and run or even ride my bike. But I'm thinking, man, it might, you know, that it's slacked up later on. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, I'm going to put the movie on and I'm going to see y'all later. I just got this air blotter in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do 20 glides on here. You see if I can get 20 in. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 glides. Yeah, that's gonna do something for you. You know what I'm saying? My other piece of workout equipment. Check it out. Pro.